Happy Tuesday, y'all. Guess what? We're doing another Thredup Rescue Box unboxing, and today's is going to be the Namebrand Handbag Box. Now, I don't do these super frequently, but Thredup was having a sale, and so I decided to go ahead and get another one. Listen, I am looking, hopefully one day I will get a Tory Burch in one of these boxes. I have never gotten one. It's the elusive Tory Burch. So I'm putting like all the good vibes on this box, and hopefully one of these days, maybe today, I will get that Tory Burch bag that I'm hoping for. Okay, so for those of you who aren't familiar with the Namebrand Handbag Box, it contains 4 bags and 1 accessory, which sometimes the accessory isn't necessarily a wallet. It usually is. And we're expecting brands like Kate Spade, Michael Kors, Rebecca Minkoff, Dooney and Bourke would be great. And sometimes they are going to have little flaws. Maybe they need a little bit of cleaning. But I don't know. Lately, the ones that I've been getting have been really good. So I decided to give it another go. I will offer pricing in the video. So if there's something you're interested in that you can't live without, just send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com and I can sell to you directly. Okay, so this one came to us from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. Okay, Mechanicsburg, let's hope for a good one. Okay, got my receipt on top. Someone wrote on my receipt. I don't know that that's ever happened before. Right there. And they had a pink little marker. I love that. Okay. So this was ordered on February 23rd. And this is the Namebrand Handbag Box. The regular price of this box is $100. I believe I got 20% off. They never put like the price you actually pay on these receipts. So I believe I paid $80 for this plus tax plus shipping. So it probably came out to $100. It gave me my tax and my shipping probably for free. All right, so let's pull back the tissue here. I will give you kind of a first peek. Ooh. I love this one on the top. I already love this. Oh my goodness. Look at this bag, y'all. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I love this one. We have a Kate Spade, and it's got this beautiful quilted black leather. There is some wear on that nameplate. You guys can see that. But this is awesome. I love this. Okay, we do have some damage to the corners. I'm going to try to, if you guys are interested in these, I want to make sure I show you everything. There is some damage to this corner. If it were me, I would put a little bit of leather glue on this and then do a little color touch up and then condition the corner. If somebody wants to buy this bag and you want me to do that for you, I will. I'm not saying it's going to look perfect. It won't. But it should prevent it from having any further damage over there. And then you've got some wear to that corner. And you know, I think it's because this leather is almost like a little puffy and it's so soft. And same thing here. So you can kind of start seeing through that leather. So if somebody purchases this and you want me to kind of recolor it and seal it for you, let me know. OMG. This is gorgeous. This bag is so nice. The interior looks pretty clean. It just needs a little wipe down. We've got a little bit of staining in the bottom. Maybe some mascara or something down there. It doesn't really look like ink. So I can try to get that out. Can't promise because I don't really know 100%. But overall, a pretty clean interior. And that is so pretty. Okay, let's zip this up. So I'm definitely happy with the first one. Like I said, there is some damage to the corners, but for the style of this bag, I mean, I'm okay with that. So you have the gold tone chains not super long, like a satchel style. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Okay, yay, I think we're off to a good start. All right, next up, we have a Michael Kors. Okay, I'm not super happy about this one. And not because it's Michael Kors. I'll show you here in a second. Okay. Let me get her all fixed up here. Okay. So you've got the MK Michael Kors, and it's in a two-tone brown. There's a little like string coming out here, so I'll trim that up. You have your Michael Kors like snap right here, and if you unsnap, you have kind of an accordion pocket there, and it's got little organizers in it, like for cards and things like that. So I think that's cool. You have the light brown leather trim around the edge. Okay, so this is where I'm not happy. Look at the straps on this. These are completely ruined. So you would need to, in my opinion, completely take these straps off and maybe just attach like, I don't know, different straps to the top of this. This is like super disappointing. I may have to contact Thredup about this. These are rescue boxes, so you do expect some damage, like those corners on the Kate Spade. But I don't know, this is pretty excessive, in my opinion, about the straps. Okay, got the medallion. Okay, so you can see the damage there to those straps on both sides. The bottom of the bag looks pretty good. You've got some wear to the feet, which say Michael Kors on them. And let's check the inside. The inside is it's got a little bit of staining at the bottom. You can see like that blue spot in there. But you got your Michael Kors nameplate. And then you've got the interior here. You've got the internal large zipper pocket. And then you've got your slip pockets on this side. So the interior is not too bad. Like I said, you've got some light staining and it needs a little bit of a vacuum. But other than that, the interior is fine. And this will be fine if I stuff it out. The only thing I'm really concerned about are those straps. So I'll put some notes on the screen if I reached out to Thredup or if I have a solution for this. Because that's pretty bad. So I'm disappointed about that. Okay, next up, we have a Michael Kors. So another one. So I think it's funny because I got like no Michael Kors in my last box, and then I've gotten two already. Okay, so I'm already not happy about this one either. Y'all, look at the straps on this one. They're a mess. The edge coating is completely coming off and fraying. I would say so far the condition of these bags has not reflected how the condition of my previous ones have been. So I'm not happy about that. But I do like the color of this bag. And I have received this bag before. These go for good money. You have the Saffiano leather, and it's in this beautiful yellow kind of mustard color. And, you know, the rest of the bag looks like it's in great shape. It's just the straps. So, but the straps are kind of a big deal. I mean, if we're being honest, you would have to take this to a cobbler and have them fix that edge coat. So, I don't know. I've done that on my own bags before, so I'm not exactly sure how much that would cost. And if that would be worth it to do. Or like I said, you could, you know, attach different straps. They probably wouldn't look exactly the same. Okay, let's check the inside. from first glance, the inside looks perfect. You've got your really pretty Michael Kors patterned material on the inside, your slip pockets here. I believe this is like a padded area. Yeah, this is the large zippered area in the middle is padded, like for a laptop. So this makes a great work bag. You have a large slip pocket here. And then on this other side, you have your Michael Kors zipper slip pockets. So the interior of this bag is awesome. Let's make sure the zipper works. Oh, look, it's even got the cards. So that part's great. Yeah, this looks awesome on the inside. Everything looks great. I don't really see any staining at all. So let's make sure that the interior zipper works. And then you do have this exterior zipper. I know, like my mom, I have some bags that don't close at the top. My mom's like, she likes a zipper at the top and she doesn't want it on the top of the bag. She wants it kind of inside like this. She's particular about her bags, as I think we all are, right? So I love the color of this. Overall, the condition's great. But y'all, these straps, they're bad, okay? Just like that other Michael Kors. So not happy with that. Okay. Next, look, y'all. We have a Dooney. Is this the It bag? That has the rainbow color. I'm trying to remember. This is so cute. It's a little mini bag. And it's got even the rainbow zipper across the top. You have your interior little area for keys. There's the inside with the blue, your Dooney nameplate, and then the zipper pocket. I believe this probably is a vintage one, right? I'm trying to decide if maybe it's a little, if this is a little faded or cloudy compared to maybe what it looked like originally. But how cute is that? And this strap is in great shape. And it's even the edge coating is that blue that matches the inside of the bag. I think this is awesome. It looks like the bottom of the bag is great. Edging is awesome. Leather looks great on this one. Let's make sure the zipper works. The cutest zipper ever. Oh. This one's great. This must be my accessory because we've gotten 3 bags and I see a large bag on the bottom. So this is my accessory. Thank you, Thredup. I will definitely take this as my accessory. That is adorable. Okay, I love that one. Now, I'm going to show you guys this bag on the bottom. I do not know yet what it is, but I feel like it looks dirty. So... oh, okay, let's hope for the best here. Oh, okay. I'm not going to be mad about Tumi. Wow, that's great. I'll take a Tumi bag in here. I feel like, yeah, it's definitely, it's kind of almost like a little, like a pink satin or nylon. No, not satin. Yeah, like a nylon type bag. And I don't know if you can see, but there's some light marks. And then if you look at the straps on the back, you can kind of see they're a little dingy. So I'm definitely going to be wiping this down so I can clean it up the best I can. And then it has like a leather top handle. Ooh, this is great. Okay, so, and then the zipper pulls have this like little crocodile or snake accent, which I think is a neat one. You've got your little key attachment, which goes in the side pocket. I love side pockets. So you've got this side pocket here. You've got a side pocket here. And then you've got this large pocket on the outside, which has a little organizer in it. You've got the small pocket, and then you've got the larger slip, and then a little tiny one here, maybe for like a pen or something. I'll try to open it really wide. It looks very clean on the inside, so that's great. And then our top pocket. Now, I don't know what goes here. I don't know if something went there and it's missing. I'll have to like look this bag up and see if I can figure that out. I'm not sure. The inside of this top little pocket looks great. This is awesome. You've got your all the way through pocket back here that you can put on a handle of a piece of luggage. Tumi is made for traveling for sure. And then this is a great backpack. The interior looks awesome. And you've got a double slip here. Okay. And it's got that pink edging on it, which I think is awesome. You've got a super large one here that you almost could put a tablet in, depending on the size of your tablet. And then a really large zippered pocket here. You have your Tumi metal piece. And then here you have your, I don't know, do they call this a creed, like the same as Coach? I don't know, but you have your Tumi tag there. So this is awesome. Like I said, a little dingy, but not bad. We have another zipper at the top here. Let's see. Maybe this is padded. Yes, it's a very lightly padded on the back. So you could maybe put your laptop in here or a folder that has some sort of papers. But this is great. I'm very excited about this one. Making sure all the zippers work on the bag. And let's also check the bottom. I don't know if I looked at the bottom of the bag, but since it's nylon, let's make sure that it's in good shape. Yeah, I think it is. Like I said, there's some light wear or staining throughout, but I don't see like any holes in the corners or anything like that. So that's awesome. Okay, so 3 out of 5 pieces I love. The 2 Michael Kors, while I think the bags are great, I'm very disappointed about the shape of the handles. Like, it's one thing if they're a little messed up. It's another thing when they're like shredded like that. So let me know what y'all think. I mean, this Tumi bag is awesome. So we've got the Tumi bag for one. This little Dooney, I'm going to call it the It bag. I don't know if it actually is, but I loved that. That's a great accessory. We've got the Michael Kors. I want to say this is called like the Jet Set Traveler or something like that. Super large bag in great shape, except for these handles. So you would have to get these, like take them to a cobbler and redo the edge coat, unless you know how to do that yourself. I don't know how to do that. And then you've got this Michael Kors bag, which also has got some severe handle issues. Okay. And I don't know, y'all, which one's your favorite? I love this Kate Spade bag, even though it's got some damage to the corners. This one is gorgeous. I don't know if this is my favorite or the Dooney or the Tumi. I think I have to say the Tumi is my favorite, but I really like this one too. I don't know. Drop it in the comments. Let's take a vote. Let me know which bag was your favorite one. And if you have a suggestion on what I should do about the handles on those Michael Kors bags, drop that in the comments as well. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do. I would love to have you. I do unboxings twice a week, and then I usually do a recap talking about the different boxes I've opened in the past and how much money I've been able to make off of them or how much money I've lost. Hopefully this one will be a winner, and I will see you guys later this week for Thredup Thursday. Bye, y'all.